Placing orders for the aligners is quick and simple. Simply go to labpronto.com, choose orthodontics, aligners, and complete the short prescription form. If you have a Blue Sky Biodigital account, if you're using any of our Blue Sky Biodigital products, such as Blue Sky Plan, Bio Big Box, Blue Sky Monitoring, then you already have a Lab Pronto account. You can log in with the exact same details, or you can log in simply by using an SMS verification code or via Google or Apple login. When you go to orthodontics, aligners, you can see additional information regarding the package and the pricing. The pricing is super clear and simple. Small cases for $499 and large cases for $799. The large case includes one complimentary mid-course refinement. The digital plan will be sent to you for your approval prior to manufacturing. You will receive videos, case report, as well as a 3D view where you could review the digital plan in 3D space, go between the steps, rotate the models, and approve the plan or send a message to us if needed. If you decide not to proceed with aligner manufacturing, then you will be charged just for the digital design. Additional options to maximize efficiency and precision includes the ability to upload a CT scan with the order as well for true anatomical root-based aligner planning. An additional option includes aligner mentoring, where you could have a mentor review the treatment plan with you to educate you about treatment planning for future cases, and receiving free remote monitoring with your aligner case. That includes the patient remote monitoring scope, includes the patient app for their cell phone, and includes the clinical dashboard. The remote monitoring functionality is completely free. Additional information about Blue Sky Monitoring can be seen at blueskymonitoring.com. Simply click Order Now to proceed with the order. The prescription form to order the digital treatment plan, as well as the manufacturing, is a few short steps with a clear and concise prescription form. The first step, just confirm complete clear aligner package, is selected from the drop-down menu, and select yes that you would like a clinical digital aligner tooth setup created and sent to you for review. If you will be uploading a completed treatment plan in the Blue Sky Plan software, select the No option, and you will be taken to an order form for the aligner manufacturing only. Select an existing patient or click Add New Patient to add a new patient. I'm going to select option here, search for my patient Sky Blue, and I'll confirm the treatment name, Sky Aligners Treatment. I can modify if necessary. I'm going to go ahead and click on Next to proceed. And now we have at this step questions regarding clinical factors for the treatment plan. So we have a field where you could describe the chief complaint, select if the patient has had previous orthodontic treatment, the frequency with which you would like the aligners to be delivered to the patient, of course, if possible, based on the treatment plan, and additional information regarding interior movement, duration, if the case can be limited, of course, and how the opposing arch will be corrected. Select the recommend option if you would like these answers to be dictated by the treatment plan. Go ahead and click on Next. If you will be uploading a CT scan for true anatomical mechanics aligners, which is root-based aligner planning based on the teeth's full anatomy, then go ahead and select yes. Of course, this option is highly recommended. Create button transfer tray. You could choose the relevant option, and please notice how the price is updated automatically on the right-hand side of the screen, depending on the selections made. You have an option for fixed lingual retainers and aligner mentoring if you like to have a clinical review session either by a technician or by a clinician to review the aligner planning and to educate you about proper aligner planning techniques. If you would like to opt in for clinical mid-treatment scans review, this is either via Blue Sky Monitoring, or if you're going to be calling the patient in for intraoral scans during the treatment, you could opt in to, once again, have a mentor review the scans with you to be educated in aligner treatment. Go ahead and activate the checkbox for Activate BlueSkyMonitoring.com upon case completion. As mentioned earlier, this is completely free. The clinical dashboard, the scope, and the app for the patient's cell phone. Check the checkbox and go ahead and click on Next. This step, we have options regarding manufacturing and shipping. If you like expedited manufacturing, you could go ahead and choose that option. And you could indicate how many aligner steps should be included with each shipment. Go ahead and click on Next. And the final step before attaching relevant data files, just include any relevant and pertinent information regarding the patient and regarding the patient's treatment. Once you have done that, click Continue to attach data files. In this step, go ahead and click on the relevant buttons to attach the relevant files. Of course, you should attach the STL files. As we mentioned earlier, it is highly recommended to attach the patient's CT scans as well for true anatomical mechanics, root-based aligner treatment, to be able to treatment plan based on the true and full anatomy of the patient's teeth. Go ahead and include any relevant patient photos and any relevant X-ray images. For expedited shipping options, you could select the relevant option from the drop-down list that we have here. In addition, if it's taking a while to upload the files, just check the checkbox that's here, important, and the order will automatically be submitted once the relevant data files are uploaded successfully. If you don't check the checkbox, then once the files have uploaded, simply click the Order Now button. If this is your first order with Lab Pronto, you'll be prompted to enter your shipping address, payment method, and your primary contact. The data will be stored securely to expedite placing future orders quickly and conveniently. Learn more about our complete aligner package at ProntoAligners.com.